Self-awareness tool. Welcome to Donald Mafumane YouTube channel. This channel is about education, training, coaching, and mentoring for personal development and growth. Creating a vision, dream, or desire can be far-fetched without first being aware of self. This self-awareness tool is a simple and useful tool for illustrating and improving self-awareness and mutual understanding between individuals within a group. It is a psychological tool invented by Joseph Luft and Harrington Ingham in 1955 as a model for mapping personality awareness. By describing yourself from a fixed list of adjectives as written, then asking your friends and colleagues to describe you from the same list, a grid of overlap and difference can be built up. Self-awareness tool helps you build trust in your interactions and learn about yourself through others' feedback. You can objectively evaluate yourself, manage your emotions, align your behavior with your values, and understand correctly how others perceive you. Until we meet in the next video, start by building your credible personality awareness profile from the following exercise. From the list as shown and read, choose 5 or 6 words that you think best describe you. We will use your information in the next video. Able, accepting, adaptable, bold, black, brave, calm, caring, cheerful, clever, complex, confident, dependable, dignified, empathetic, energetic, extroverted, friendly, giving, happy, helpful, idealistic, independent, ingenious, intelligent, introvert, kind, knowledgeable, logical, loving, mature, modest, nervous, observant, organized, patient, powerful, proud, quiet, reflective, relaxed, religious, responsive, searching, self-assertive, self-conscious, sensible, sentimental, shy, sly, spontaneous, sympathetic, tense, trustworthy, warm, wise, witty. As you pick 5 or 6 words that you feel best describe you from the list, please consider liking and subscribing to this video. All videos in this channel are numbered to make it easy for you to follow. This one is number 24 in the series. Please subscribe to it so that you can be notified when a new video is published. You can also follow Donald Mafumane on LinkedIn platform. Remember, if you would like to be notified each time a new video is published, please hit the subscribe star button below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.